video 7 in this playlist, How to Start a Blog in 2019. We are to the point now of making sure that we have an active table of contents. What a table of contents does is it allows the visitor to look at some options and click it and then shoot down the page to just that portion, okay? This is a quality user experience. It provides a quality user experience because it gives the ability, if somebody did a search and they searched for Google My Business account, let's just say, and they land here, oh my goodness, they don't want to read everything that has to do with real estate lead generation. All they were looking for was Google My Business. So they can look at the table of contents, click it, and they can shoot right down to the portion they want. I insist on these table of contents when I build my content. Now, if I'm just doing a short form, quick little Q&A, it's not necessary. But if I'm doing a long form blog and I'm going to have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever paragraphs or options in a list, I want them in a table of contents. Also, the table of contents has some strong elements to it that the search engines like for their search engine results pages, offering snippets and site links. I'm not going to talk about those on today's video. I'm going to wait till we get to the more advanced features on marketing our blog and promoting our blog and ranking our blog. But for now, we're just creating our blog, and so we need a table of contents. So what you're going to do is on your WordPress website, go down here to plugins and open this in a new tab, as we don't want to lose the spot of where we were just working, okay? So we're going to go ahead and open our plugins, and what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, go up here and go to Add New. So go to your plugins and click Add New. Once that opens, we are going to do a quick search for Table of Contents Plus. Oops. Let's see if it still shows up. Typo. There's going to be other ways that you can do this, but I prefer Table of Contents Plus. Here it is. Click Install Now. It's installed, and now we want to activate it. I tell you, this stuff is like magic. It makes everything so simple. What's going to happen now is once we set this up, all of our table of contents will be automated from here forward and anything we created backwards. So down here under settings, I'm going to go to TOC Plus. That's my table of contents plus. And this is free. That's a free addition to your WordPress website. Okay. Now here's the default settings. I always say I want it to show up before the first heading. I want it to show up when there are 4 or more headings present. And I want it to insert on a post or on a page. Show title, you could say quick links or quick table of contents, whatever you want to call it. You can allow the user to show or hide it. I'm not going to number mine. I don't like my list numbered, and I don't think we need to show the hierarchy. Width should be 100%, the width of your page. I'm not going to worry about any wrapping. And then what color I want it to be, I want it to match my theme. So I always choose it to custom. And then let's see, I think by default that should show the right color. So let's click Update Options. I know I went fast. You can rewind me. Go back and watch that again. Okay, now let's go back to our blog, and we're going to go ahead and click Preview so we can see how that table of contents shows up on our. Okay, we've got our preview open. We're going to scroll down. Here's our intro. There's our video, our call to action. Look at this, you guys. There it is. There's our table of contents. How gorgeous is that? So now, no matter what blog we created previously, we're going to have a table of contents now automatically populated if we used enough heading tags.